It's done charging. And I look like shit. Oh well. I just woke up. Well, actually, no, I didn't just wake up. That is a complete and just terrible lie. I haven't gone to sleep. Which is why I needed to charge my Kindle, because I've been up reading all night. Actually, not all night. Shh. My nails are not painted. I meant to last night, and then I got distracted by a book. I can hear my dog moving in the kitchen. I can hear you from here. I am actually going to do a cool thing where, damn it, I scratched my eye. Get makeup everywhere. I'm going to do a cool thing where I edit and upload videos. Isn't that exciting? It's been, that was a weird voice. So I ended up editing the 20th vlog, which means I have officially 5 more vlogs to edit and post. But oops. What do you want? Just gonna sit there and be cute? You gonna be cute? Bonk. What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, please don't fall. You're old. Gently pat. I say hi. You've been on the internet before. Plenty of time. Dude. Oh, she listened to me. Holy shit, okay. That works. So far today, I get annoyed over little things. You realize this. Today is just filled with editing and my dog eating and posting. For right now. I'll figure out what else we're doing later. This is all I got right now. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that took about an hour around, and I'm done editing, but I'm still uploading the first video. Go. There we go. Still uploading that video, and it's taking forever. It started like I'm not even meaning to move. I'm just gonna wait for this. Apparently there's a storm warning out. Okay. Breakfast. That was unexpected. Last video to go up, and I'm caught up. Wait. I need to stretch. Okay. Oh, I didn't put any of this away. Anyhow. Oh, God, how long have I been sitting there? 2 hours? Sorry. I had to stop. I didn't break it, I had to stop the thing from opening all the way. That's cold. Get in there. That would help now, wouldn't it? Stupid pipe. Is that a bug? You're getting trapped in there now. You're gonna die. Bitch. Yeah. Oh, looks like it's uploaded. Alright. I know where I'm actually aiming shit. I didn't even take that toaster out. That's not my responsibility to put back. That's how I see it. I'm guessing I should probably do something. I should do laundry. I should stop looking like shit. I should paint my nails. I should just plain old get ready. I'm still sitting here. Oh, it's 1 p.m. I got a reply. I should do laundry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and reply later. Oh, wait. Just enjoy how they're spazzing out right now. Because there's a vent behind there. I just had a terrible, terrible thought. Okay, so Indiana has this law now where you can't throw your your lit cigarette butts out the window because it's a fire hazard. And I had a thought. What if, what caused that law to come around? Because, every single, thing, somebody had to do something in order for it to become illegal. What if it wasn't, grass or, crops that got set on fire? What if it was a person? They threw their cigarette butt out the window and it hit somebody and they just, combusted into flames. Because they were highly flammable for some odd fucking reason. What if that's really it? What if? Well, I'm back at home. I am going to go ahead and read on my Kindle. Actually do my nails. And take my contacts out. That would be helpful. Yeah. There's food in my mouth, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I will edit this tomorrow morning or something for my nail. Begone, Satan. So I'll go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. And I'm caught back up in vlogs again. For the 5th time. You're welcome. Good night.